Okay, when you present to external party, always introduce yourself. I am Dr. Tweety Bird from Okay.
Okay, good morning, everybody here. Datuk, Tan Sri.
Salah, Tan Sri dulu.
Oh, Tan Sri, Tun dulu lah.
Mana Tun ni?
Apa dah?
Tun, Tan Sri.
Tan Sri, Datuk. Who is the chairman?
Dan
Okay, dan
Tuan Pengerusi.
Dan Tuan Pengerusi.
Ya.
My name is
Dr. Tweety Bird. Sampai doktor. Okay.
My name is Tweety Bird from Indawater. This morning, I have a very serious matter to bring to your attention.
What?
On the low tariff of sewage services. Why do we need to look into this matter?
Yes. Why?
And why do we have to consider and really bring to your attention today? From now on, we have to start looking into the tariff.
Why?
That, for one,
Continue.
and for your information, Indawater has been in the red all these years. All these years means from the establishment of Indawater, we have been in the red. Our financial situation has been in red. Therefore, I have.
And the government have been subsidizing.
No. Don't want to mention that.
Don't mention that. Okay.
Don't want to mention that.
Okay.
Okay. Therefore, today I want you to look into the review of the tariff. My first point is that why are we in the red all this while?
All this while.
Yes.
All this while.
Okay, all this while, all these years. Number one, the current tariff is below the cost of our sewage services. Example, our domestic tariff is 8 ringgit. 8 ringgit only.
Per month.
As compared to the break-even cost through our analysis is approximately 30 ringgit per month.
30 ringgit per month.
Itu estimate, itu bukan estimate, just a figure plug from the sky.
Yalah, plug from the sky pula.
Remember that.
Okay.
So I cannot review
The real number. Okay, number from the sky. Okay, 30 ringgit.
Nanti yang dapat sekarang tu tak dapat.
So we are talking about around 4 times below our revenue. If we take the domestic revenue that we are collecting from the customer, therefore we are in the rate 4 times below. 4 times. Okay. My point number 2 is that the tariff has not been reviewed. The tariff has not been reviewed since 1994, since the establishment of Indawater. Can I repeat that?
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry, sir. Point number 2. Our tariff has not been reviewed upwards since the establishment of Indawater. Why I'm saying upward is because there are 4 times review in the tariff, but it was reviewed downward in the commercial and government tariff. Therefore, it has actually bring down our revenue over the years, 4 times over the years. My third point of why we need to look into review of the tariff
Why we need to look into
and why our financial is in red is because the escalation of operating costs over the years. Our major operating cost is actually electricity cost, which comprise of estimate 40% of our overall operating cost. And all of you know that our plants is all mostly using electricity. And for electricity tariff, there has been review over the years, and it has been going up. And therefore,
how much has electricity tariff been increased since 1994?
I don't know.
You better get the number. Okay.
hilang dah.
Electricity, yeah, okay.
Okay. Plus, the plants that we have been taking over the
That
years
we have been
that
taking.
we have been taking over has been increasing, and these plants mostly are old plants, and that has actually further increased our operating costs.
In 1994, we were managing how many plants? Yeah.
Berapa? In 1994, I think we were managing around 1,000 plus. 1,000 plus.
Say
But
1,000 plus. Today?
we are managing around 6,000 plus STPs.
And
That
for your
is-
information,
And for your information,
67%
67%
of our plants
of our plants
are more than 50 years old.
what he's trying to say.
Yalah, betul lah.
Okay, for your information, 67% of our plants are actually 50 years old.
More than.
More than 50 years old.
Yes.
Therefore, I urge you to look into the review of the current sewage tariff urgently,
Oh.
as we will be in serious financial situation down the road in 2 years' time if we do not
If we
do not resolve this issue now. We will.
imagine the situation.
I want to close it.
Imagine the situation.
Imagine the situation.
If there is a general breakdown
If there is a major general breakdown
in
in
treatment,
treatment,
imagine the consequences.
imagine the consequences. We will put forth our proposal on the new tariff in our next presentation. Thank you very much.
Okay.